Welcome to All Access Agile, a series dedicated to helping teams learn and implement Agile principles. In this episode, we focus on the benefits and challenges of different Agile frameworks and methods. I'm your Agile coach, Jessica Guistolise. I am an evangelist at Lucid Software, and a useless talent I have is sitting still while getting my nails done.
I'm your Agile coach, Bryan Stallings. I'm Lucid's chief evangelist, and a useless talent I have is making straight lines with the vacuum on the carpeting.
Ooh, nice.
While there's no single right way to implement Agile, there are several established Agile frameworks you can use and adapt to suit your needs. Stay tuned for an overview of common Agile frameworks, a look at their pros and cons, and tips for choosing which framework is the best for your team.
Agile frameworks are lightweight structures that guide teams in implementing Agile values and principles. By lightweight, I mean they're not the rigid, prescriptive methodologies of the past. Rather, they're designed to each team's unique needs, supporting a flexible approach to continuous improvement.
Think of Agile frameworks as starter kits. They provide a structured way to introduce teams and individuals to Agile principles. And like scaffolding in a construction project provides support, Agile frameworks provide support for teams as they build an Agile mindset.
Teams can choose from a variety of Agile frameworks, each with its own benefits and challenges. Some popular frameworks include Scrum, Kanban, Scrumban, and extreme programming.
And don't forget, lean software development, feature-driven development, the dynamic systems development method, and crystal methods.
There are also frameworks for scaling Agile that support organizations that practice Agile across many teams. These include Scaled Agile Framework, Large-Scale Scrum, and Disciplined Agile.
Well, that's not an exhaustive list. Jessica and I hope it illustrates the variety and adaptability of Agile frameworks and helps explain why Agile might look different for every team.